3 crazy Apple secrets I bet you did not know about. Secret number 1. Why does Apple actually sell a green iPhone? Well, see, the thing is, Apple has a product life cycle. They release new iPhones every September, which means they get a lot of hype, a lot of sales, a lot of buzz, and a lot of YouTube videos, of course, because everyone loves reviewing iPhones. Everyone loves watching reviews of iPhones. So everybody makes videos, everybody writes headlines, everybody writes a lot and gives a lot of coverage to Apple. This happens in September and continues all the way to, well, December, because that is when the holiday season comes around and everyone starts buying these iPhones and Apple products. But come the end of March and April, Apple actually loses out on a lot of headlines. There aren't a lot of coverage, there isn't a lot of videos on iPhones. That is when Apple thinks, okay, we need to do something new. And that is why we got the green iPhone 13s in March. So you know what happened? Everyone started making videos about the green iPhones. Even though nothing new had come, nothing had changed in the iPhone, yet everyone started making unboxing videos, reviews, and articles came back. Apple got a lot of buzz, Apple got a lot of hype, and most importantly for Apple, they got a lot of sales. Apple has been doing this for a while now. They released the iPhone 12 in purple last year around as well, which again got them a lot of buzz and a lot of sales. So this is Apple's strategy. Secret number 2, and if you're a nerd like me, you would have noticed that the iPhone actually does not shoot in JPEG. These images often have and almost always have the extension of HEIC, which is high efficiency mode. JPEG is the most commonly used standard for images, but iPhones, well, they have a mind of their own. They use HEIC. Why does Apple do this? Why does Apple not believe in JPEG? I'm gonna tell you right now. iPhones run out of storage space very quickly, and the biggest culprit of this are photographs and videos that we take from our iPhones. We love doing that, don't we? But the biggest problem is they take a lot of space when shot in JPEG. So Apple thought, how can we reduce the storage without losing out on any of the quality? Easy, they just changed the compression style from JPEG to HEIC. HEIC is high efficiency, it does not take up a lot of storage, and the results are visibly, you cannot distinguish between JPEG and HEIC. In fact, HEIC is sometimes even better at highlighting and retaining highlights, retaining shadows, retaining tones, and even extended dynamic range. HEIC is much better at JPEG in those instances. The only issue is HEIC is not as compatible as JPEG is, because certain Windows operating systems and Android devices do not support HEIC images. Now you can go to the settings and convert HEIC to JPEG and make sure that your iPhone never shoots in HEIC again. But then actually what you're doing is you're making sure that the iPhone consumes a lot more storage when taking these photos and videos. Secret number 3, there is actually no weather app, or in fact no calculator app on your iPad. I'm sure you must have noticed this, and the reason is Apple believes that certain products have a certain usage. So the iPhones and the Apple Watches have a lot more portability, have a lot more usability than say the iPad. Apple believes that you don't necessarily need a weather app or a calculator app on your iPad, because you're more likely to do those calculations on your iPhone or on your Apple Watch. Apple basically does not believe, like I said, they don't believe that you're actually going to check the weather that often on an iPad, and you're more likely to do it on your, well, Apple Watch or your iPhone. Now I hope this changes, because in fact there are a lot of people out there who actually use their iPads as their daily drivers, and they've completely replaced their MacBooks with their iPads. So I hope Apple changes this in the future, but until then we're stuck with what we have. So those were 3 big Apple secrets that I bet you did not know about. Well, actually if you did, then let me know in the comments down below, because I'll be very happy for you, and my god, you've got some bragging rights. And if you like this video, then hit that thumbs up icon and subscribe to the channel, of course, and turn on notifications for all of our videos, because there is going to be a lot more similar content on our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.